Good morning, my friend. This is your boy, Colton Havens. Some of you know me, some of you don't. If this is your first time tuning in, put first time down there in the comments after we're done, and I will reach out to you personally. But I am in Denver, Colorado, my friend. And I know you're hungry, because this is where you come to get your brain food, baby. Yeah, and what is it that I mean by 72,000? Okay, this is the fun fact for the day. We live on average 72,000 days. 72,000 days. Right, makes you think, doesn't it? What am I doing today that's going to get me closer? Because our days are numbered. Okay? The problem isn't that you're lazy. The problem isn't the circumstance you're in. The problem isn't your job. The problem isn't your family. The problem is you think you have time. And you're wasting away on this device. You know, you're probably at work right now watching me. You're supposed to be working. Okay? Look, this device that we're holding in our hands can be our biggest asset or our biggest liability. But it is up to you to decide whether it's stealing time or it's making more time for yourself. You can control what you see every day on there. All right? But more importantly, are you living your life, your purpose? Are you living your purpose? Your days are numbered. Stop wasting them. What's going on, Steven? What's going on, brother? All right? So what are you going to do today that's going to either pull you closer to your goals or going to take you away from them? The choice is ultimately going to be yours. Make it now, make it today, because you only got 72,000 of them left. All right? And if you're my age, you got less than that. If you're older than me, you got less than that. Your time is ticking. Make something happen for yourself. All right? Share this video if you think it's worth it. If not, it's all good. All right? But I'm going to see you tomorrow, because just like you got to bathe and just like you got to eat, you got to get your brain food every day. Commit. Make it happen. I love y'all. Peace.